Welcome to Ahavas Yisrael Daily. We're still on Chapter 8, Part D. What about machlokas l'shem shemayim? The Beis HaLevi speaks about the danger of machlokas. Sometimes people look for an excuse, citing the concept of machlokas l'shem shemayim, which implies that if the dispute is for the sake of Hashem, it is permitted and even required. They claim that the man they are fighting with is a sinner, and that he's spreading improper ideas, and for whatever reason, they think that they have the right to pursue this person. The Sefer Noda ben Yehuda states, "There is nothing worse than machlokas. In our times, it's very hard to find somebody who is arguing l'shem shemayim." Bear in mind that this was written 250 to 300 years ago, so in most cases, this justification doesn't apply. But even when it does seem to be l'shem shemayim, how does one know if he is being honest with himself? In life, there's a very important rule. The Sifrei Musar teach that if somebody acts with exceptional exuberance, more so than how he generally performs a mitzvah, we must question it. For example, if a man doesn't usually stay up past 11 at night, and even when putting his sukkah, he still keeps his 11 o'clock bedtime, yet somehow, when he deals with machlokas, he is considered l'shem shemayim. He's up until 1 a.m. We have to question, why is there so much excitement and exuberance coming from this machlokas? If it's coming from a mitzvah, then why isn't it like all his other mitzvos he does? Why is he putting forth more effort here? Our good inclination does not drive us as much as our bad inclination. This is just the way of the world. We should always question ourselves to understand what is truly driving us. This is an important point. A legendary story is told about Rav Chaim Volozhin, who founded the yeshivas of Volozhin. When he initially had the idea of opening the yeshiva, he approached his rabbi, the Gaon of Vilna, to ask his opinion. The Gaon told him he didn't think it was a good idea. 1 year later, he went again to ask about starting the yeshiva. This year, the Vilna Gaon asked him a few questions and told him that he approved of the idea. Rav Chaim asked him what had changed from the previous year when he had not approved the idea. The Vilna Gaon said that the previous year Rav Chaim had been filled with excitement and exuberance, and he was concerned that his enthusiasm wasn't coming from the right place. He feared that Rav Chaim was too excited for it to be l'shem shemayim. But when Rav Chaim came the second year, he was calmer. So the Gaon saw that he was coming with the right intention. This is an incredible concept. We should question ourselves even regarding something that seems very good. If so, surely regarding machlokas. It is very, very hard to determine if it is really l'shem shemayim. And with that, we finish the 8th chapter. Tomorrow we'll begin the 9th one. Thank you.